Japan. I'm here at Expicon with the Mega Boys. Check it out, yeah, funny guys. Look at them, they're so funny. Right, Rocco? Aren't you funny, man? Yeah.